Hey guys and welcome. This is Creative Subdivide, and in this video I'm going to be telling you that in the last video many people complained that it was not moving, this rotation thing. And this is because a spear just moves by rotating on the x-axis. But now you don't need to do all this stuff because you need to go right in there to main camera. And it was a script. So first we're going to add a component that is camera follow, and I created another camera follow before to just check whether I was doing things right or not. So I'm going to create a camera script. So I'm going to create an ad, and it's going to add a script, namely camera script, right in there. First of all, I need to go to the camera script under the assets, which is here presently, and then I need to open by clicking on open right in here. Reload solution for this one, and it's gonna go in there. Now first of all, let me tell you that for starting with, we need to create a public and transform. Let's name this player, because we're gonna follow the player obviously. So then we need to create a public double, because double shows actually, and then we're gonna do is glide movement. Glide stands for smooth, is equal to 3, or let's just make it smooth because double takes a lot of space. Float, the float glide is equals to 3f. And float is actually pretty good also, because float takes a little bit lesser space, so it saves a lot of space, some bytes actually. Public vector 3, not 2, 3, and name this rise. In this case, rise is because for this value you're gonna rise, maybe. And then what I'm gonna do is right in there, I don't need any one of these functions, because I'm gonna go with void late update. Now practically let me tell you first, make this function. What void late update does, that it is called after all the other functions are called after all the update functions are called. Practically you can write it so that you don't forget in future uses. Now practically what we're going to do is we're going to make a vector 3 here, namely vector 3, and name this wanted position. I'm not really good at typing, and many people have noted this, is equals to target, which is our player, dot position, its position. Now what is this? I wanted target, no, player. Yeah, player dot position, which is equals to its position. Now what practically dot does is that it connects this with this position thing, plus offset, which is plus offset, or the rise value which we have set. So the plus rise. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to create another vector 3, which is equals to, let's just in the glided, but my English is not really good, so I don't know what's the meaning of glided, but I think it's something to smooth. Now we need to lerp a vector 3 right in here, dot lerp, and then we're going to put in brackets. Is the brackets? Yeah. Transform dot position, position, comma, and we have a wanted position, which is wanted position, comma, and then we have a glide value. So we're gonna put that in a vector 3. Firstly, oh no, I forgot to put a semicolon. Really, it's irritating. There should be an auto semicolon thing. But yeah, that'll have its own problem. Then we're going to transform dot position, which is transforms position is equal to the glided position, which is the glided position. So we put right in here, and we have our camera follow script practically firstly done. So I'm going to save this camera script with this camera script. Now practically, firstly I'm going to take my main camera, which is here, and I'll firstly let things load. I don't know why it's not loading, but yeah, it should load. Yeah. So now first you can see that there is a transform which has none, but I want my player to go in, which is this one. It's transform. Now this one's transform is practically everything because it tells the space and everything. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the y up to 1, z up to 0, and this up to 3. And the glide is actually 3 only, so that's not going to cause a problem. Now firstly, yeah, so it's a problem firstly, and I'm going to freeze the rotation is off now because we have a main camera. And now we don't want it on the x-axis. Yeah, sorry, it's 0 and now it's 3. So right in here now you're gonna see that my camera is, I hope that I got things right now. It's not right because you just need to test the transform a lot of times. Like it's going in the front, so I'm going to do it maybe -3. You know, I've never tried things before, so don't judge me. Yeah, but I've never tried it before. So yeah, you see, it's moving fast. Now I really wanted to make the play speed a little bit fast by going and making it 200, because you know speed is everything, although overspeeding really costs. But right in the end we are gonna, now that's gonna bring the feeling of it's gonna rotate fast and it's gonna come to the end, so you're gonna see that the end is coming close, although yeah, it's gonna fall in 3, 2, 1. No, I don't need to do this. So practically we have created a camera follow script and done a lot of things that were not meant to do. So first of all, great thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it and loved it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now we also have a Discord community which is really small because everything has a start right there, but you'll really love it, and there you can also suggest videos if you really like.